This modern living room features a gray sectional against a wooden bookshelf. Natural light floods the space through black-framed windows, highlighting the desk and leather chair. Neutral tones define this space, where a gray sofa and loveseat surround a black coffee table. 3 botanical prints hang above white shelves filled with books and lush greenery. Minimalist design shines here, featuring gray fabric furniture and a wall-mounted TV. Large windows brighten the room, while a white kitchen is visible in the background area. Experience open-concept living with a gray sofa, hardwood floors, and a sleek kitchen. Light gray walls and a large window create a bright, airy atmosphere for this home. Soft light filters through sheer curtains into this contemporary room with white sofas. Exposed wooden beams and a central pendant light add character to the minimalist decor. A light gray sectional sits on a matching rug, facing elegant black metal bookshelves. The minimalist aesthetic is enhanced by clean lines, neutral tones, and a small desk. Natural light pours into this open-plan area through floor-to-ceiling windows. The modern kitchen with white cabinets flows into a living space with comfortable gray sofas. Cozy and inviting, this room features an L-shaped sectional and marble coffee table. A tall wooden bookshelf and abstract art piece create a sophisticated, modern backdrop. 2 gray couches face each other over a circular rug and a round black coffee table. Hardwood floors and botanical prints complete the cozy, scholarly vibe of the interior. This charming bedroom combines a white bed with a gray sectional and wooden table. Potted plants and beige curtains add warmth to the white walls and light brown flooring. Concrete floors provide a modern foundation for gray sofas and minimalist armchairs. A flat-screen TV and white kitchen cabinets complete this clean, contemporary layout. White walls and hardwood floors set the stage for this room with exposed ceiling beams. A dining area is visible behind the white sofas and floral-topped wooden coffee table. Sheer white curtains create a bright, airy feel in this minimalist living apartment. A black side table with books contrasts beautifully against the light-colored carpeting. Sunlight streams through large windows, casting shadows from a slender interior tree. A white sofa and twin armchairs provide a clean, minimalist look in this bright space. Exposed wooden beams and sheer curtains define this inviting, sun-drenched sanctuary. A vase of fresh flowers sits atop a black coffee table between 2 plush white sofas.